Knowing how to survive a blizzard or other winter storms is a crucial bit of knowledge that everyone should have. There are multiple types of winter storms, and each can be deadly killers. Imagine being snowed in or being stranded in a car during a blizzard. If you live in cold countries like Canada, you should be aware of such storms. What are the things you should know if you're stuck in a situation like this? Well, first of all, seek some form of shelter immediately. Blowing winds can cause the wind chill to reduce your core body temperature to dangerous levels. The risk of frostbite and hypothermia increase every minute you are exposed to the cold weather. If you're wet, try to get dry. Lighting a small fire will not only provide warmth, but will enable your clothing to dry out. Deep snow can actually act as an insulation from the wind and cold temperatures. Digging a snow cave can actually save your life. Stay hydrated, but do not eat snow. Because your body must heat the ice in order to melt it into water, you'd actually lose heat. If you do get your water from snow, make sure to melt it before drinking it. Never leave your vehicle. If you're stranded, it will offer a form of protection from overexposure to the colds. A single person walking through the snow is also harder to find than a stranded car or truck. It's okay to run the car for short periods to provide some heat. Remember to crack the windows a small amount to allow for the circulation of fresh air. Dangerous exhaust fumes, including carbon monoxide, can build up very quickly. This is especially true if the tailpipe is buried in the snow. If the electricity goes out, use an alternative form of heat with caution. Fireplaces and kerosene heaters can be dangerous without proper ventilation. Keep children away from any alternative heat source. Let us know in the comments if you've seen a snowstorm.